Welcome! Today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into screen recorder in your Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into Advanced Features option. Here I choose Screenshot and Screen Recorder option, and how you can see here we got Screen Recorder option block, so on the bottom last option we got Show Tabs and Touches. So this position of switcher, it's turn off this option, and this light blue, it's activate this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.